How to turn off show hidden files and folders on MX Player app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to MX Player, as you can see right here. This is the home page. Now all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to the top here and click on this menu option. Now after you click on the menu, all what you have to do is go down here and you will find show hidden files and folders. You can now turn it off from here easily. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.